In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok error that says no internet connection. So, if TikTok isn't loading videos, refreshing your feed, or showing a connection error, even though your internet is working, there are a few things you can try. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a website or another app that requires internet access. If your connection seems slow, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then reopen TikTok. If the error is still appearing, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps and select TikTok. Tap on Force Stop and confirm. Then open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Once you've done that, reopen TikTok and check if the issue has been fixed. If you're using an Android device, you can also tap Clear Data. Just keep in mind that you may need to log back into your account afterwards. If TikTok is still showing the error, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for TikTok and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version of the app. After updating, launch TikTok again. Another thing you can try is restarting your phone. A simple restart can often fix temporary network and app issues. If none of these methods work, uninstall TikTok from your device. Then go back to the App Store or Google Play Store and reinstall it. Once the installation is complete, sign back into your account and check if TikTok is working normally. And that's how to fix the TikTok no internet connection error. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more TikTok troubleshooting tutorials.